Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I bought from a company in the United States. This is the BRAVESTAR Denim, and it is located in Los Angeles, California. And I ordered this item May, last on the last week of May, and it arrived here in the Philippines on the second week of June this month. And it's only now that I'm going to unbox this item coming from BraveStar, and we're going to open this package. Actually, this came all the way from Los Angeles, and I sent it through my forwarding address of the Johnny Air Cargo Plus in Los Angeles, California. Once the item is sent at the said address, it is immediately sent here in the Philippines, and it is sent to my pickup address at the SM Mega Mall, and I have it here with me for the past 2 weeks. So this is a BraveStar, nice, and this is their duck canvas denim jacket in Mojave model. So I'm going to rip the plastic bag, and you will see the nice packaging of this Mojave denim jacket in duck canvas. Okay, this is the Mojave jacket, and the size is small. It is 13 ounces. Japan Selvedge canvas, and the price here is $178. Very cheap as compared to the other canvas jackets in brown that is available in the market. Let's unfold this. This is my first time to order a Mojave denim jacket from BraveStar. You have two pockets, in front pockets, breast pockets, and then you have two side hand warmer pockets. Nice. What I like about this kind of jacket is that they have a side hand warmer pockets, and it's very relaxing to use this whenever you are in a cold climate country. You can just slide your arms or hands on the hand warmer, and you button the shirt or the jacket, and your hands are inside this hand warmer pockets on the side. So we're going to unbutton. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 front buttons, and then you have this nice pleats on the front, and you have a nice Selvedge edge on the placket, and of course, since you have a hand or hand warmer on the side pockets, you have a secret pocket inside. So this is very nice, wherein you can place your passport, your billfold, your cards, and your boarding pass if you are traveling abroad. And you can see there is a tag of the brand Brave Star. It has a leather patch on the nape, and this is size small. Usually size small is that it has a 7 inches in the shoulder. You have pit to pit 20.5 inches, and then you have the hem, which is another 20.5 inches, and you have a length of 25 inches, the length of the jacket, and you have a sleeve length of also 25 or 24 to 25 inches. So this is 13 ounces. The weight of the jacket per square yard. So it is middleweight. Actually, it's not thick, it's not heavy, it's in between light and middleweight, and it is thicker than the Levi's fabric. So it is rigid, and I think I'm going to use this as my bridge pair before the entry of the Year 4 Red Line Rally, which will start on January 1st of 2026. So I'm going to unbutton the sleeves, the hem, and of course you have these buttons on the hem, and then you have a very nice touch on the back, because on the back you have a stitch on the center of the back, and a very nice stitches on the back up to the hemline. So nice touch, and those are the signature of the Mojave jacket from BRAVESTAR. I think only BRAVESTAR is the one who is issuing the Mojave style of a jacket. You have the pleats on the front, you have these pockets on the front, and it is a combination of type 1 and type 2, and combination of type 3 also, because of the hand warmer pockets that you can see on the sides of the front portion of the jacket. So we'll go now to the fitting video of this jacket, and we will see how it fits to my body. As you know, this is small size, and of course there is always a locker hook strap here, which is not present in other jackets, most especially Ironheart. I was suggesting Ironheart to have this kind of loop, wherein you can use as, you know, where you can hang this jacket, but up to this now, up to this time, the jackets from Ironheart are not adopting this kind of loop at the nape portion of the jacket. So thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Bye.